Hello viewers, I appreciate you all once again for coming across my channel. It's your girl Nature. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for latest updates on our natural remedies. In this video, I'll be teaching you all the medicinal properties of garden egg leaves and the DIY remedies of garden egg leaves. These are my garden egg leaves. These are my garden egg leaves. Okay, these are my garden egg leaves. Now, garden egg leaves is loaded with a lot of minerals, vitamins, and nutrients. It is usually cultivated in Africa, Nigeria to be precise. Now, the medicinal properties of garden egg leaves are: garden egg leaves serves as blood tonic for those that are anemic or those who have shortage of blood. Now, garden egg leaves also helps us to strengthen our immune system. Garden egg leaves also help us to prevent cancer, and it also helps us to manage our cholesterol levels. Now, to prepare the medicinal properties of the garden egg leaves are: get a handful of garden egg leaves, wash it thoroughly, okay, put it in your blender, blend it. At the end of the day, this is what you have. Okay, after blending it, this is exactly what you're going to have. You're going to take it first thing in the morning, okay, half tumbler, and also you can take it at night. Very refreshing. You can also decide to snack on it, okay. You can decide to snack on it. You can also decide to use it to garnish your African salad. Whichever way you want it is okay. Now, the DIY remedies for garden egg leaves are: it helps to protect the kidney from dialysis. It helps to protect the kidney from dialysis. This is how to prepare it. Get a handful of garden egg leaves, wash it thoroughly, okay, put it in your pot, bring it to boil, let it sit for 10 minutes, after which you bring it down, allow it to simmer, then you sieve it out. This is what you are going to have, okay. You can see that my garden egg leaves are still infused in it. You're going to take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, last thing at night before going to bed. This is, look at it, still infused. Wow, really refreshing. Secondly, the boiled garden egg leaves also helps to remove excess salt from the kidney, and it also helps to detoxify the kidney. Now, the mineral content of garden egg leaves are: contains vitamin B, contains vitamin C, it contains potassium, it contains calcium, and it also contains folic acid. Okay, guys, if you find this video interesting, please like my video, comment on my video, and subscribe to my video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching and stay healthy. Bye.